Good evening everyone. Today's first topic is methods to make entries for sales voucher. Like purchase voucher, sales voucher also have 4 methods of making entry for sales voucher in Tally ERP9. Which are as voucher mode, as invoice mode, item invoice mode, and accounting invoice. Our second topic is making sales voucher entry as voucher mode. To make sales voucher entry in Tally ERP9. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounting Vouchers. Now press F8 to select Sales. We will make the entry for this transaction visible on the screen. On the 1st of August 2024, goods sold wide invoice number 1 to Surya Trade Corporation on credit worth 1,15,000. GST rate is 12%. Press Ctrl+K to select voucher mode. In reference number, write 1. In debit, select customer ledger, which is Surya Trade Corporation. Fill customer address if you wish. In debit, write amount 1,15,000 plus 12% GST, which is 1,28,800. In credit, select ledger sales at the rate 12%. In credit amount, write 1,15,000. Now select output CGST at the rate 6% in credit. In amount, write 6,900. Select output SGST at the rate 6%. This time amount will be auto-calculated. In narration, write being goods sold on credit wide invoice number 1. Press enter and accept the screen. Our third topic is making sales voucher entry as invoice mode. We will make the entry for this transaction visible on the screen. On the 1st of August 2024, goods were sold wide invoice number 2 to Ishant Metals on credit worth 80,500. GST rate is 5%. Press Ctrl+K to select invoice mode. In reference number, write 2. In party account name, write party name, which is Ishant Metals. On next screen, fill party details if required. Now, select sales at the rate 5% ledger. Now, select sales at the rate 5% ledger. In amount, write 80,500. Now select output CGST at the rate 2.5%. And amount will be auto-calculated. Similarly, repeat for output SGST at the rate 2.5%. Press enter and go to the narration. In narration, write being goods sold on credit wide invoice number 2. Press enter and accept the screen.